Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Advent. Fotor, an online photo editor with millions of users worldwide, recently released an AI image generator. It's very easy to use. You just need to type your text prompts and watch Fotor's AI text-to-image generator bring it to life in a matter of seconds. You can use it to create realistic face images, 3D characters, anime art, paintings, background, and digital art of any type. The best part about Fotor AI image generator is that it's free to use and lets you export your generated image in full resolution. It's a great option for both beginners and advanced users. So without further ado, let me tell you how to use this tool. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Go to sign up page by clicking on the sign up button. After coming to sign up page, you can sign up with your Facebook, Google or Apple account or through email. Step 2. After signing in, click generate button to access the tool page. Step 3. In the top left text box, enter prompts for the image, including the subject and details. Although here are some prompts already available for example, but we will write our own prompt. Then choose the aspect ratio, style, and number of outputs. Finally, click Generate button and see it has generated the image in concept art style according to your prompt. Now we will generate the same prompt in photography style. As you can see, the result is very impressive. Now we check the result by adding another prompt. The result is again impressive. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate to regenerate images. Step 4. Now let's try out to generate the images from image. Click from image in the top left corner to enter the image to image page. Click open image to upload a photo. Select your desired style and number of outputs, then click generate. Now let's try another style. According to the styles we choose, it has given good results. Finally, if you want to download your photos, you will click on My Creation tab. From here, you can download your photos one by one, or you can download together. At the end, let me tell you some of its salient features. 10 free image generation per day, 9 different conversion styles to choose from, 9 light effects for you to choose from, 6 compositions are available, text to image and image to image conversion modes. One of the best things of Fotor is you can try it for free. Apart from, Fotor has 3 different plans and pricing: Fotor Basic, Fotor Pro and Fotor Pro Plus. You can get all these details by visiting their website. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Tech Advent.